Welcome to the one video that will take you from crypto noob to crypto genius. Everyone is talking about crypto right now. What does it really mean? To understand crypto, we start with the history of money. At first, people traded goods directly with each other. Coins made trading easier, even if you didn't want the item being offered. So currency was created. This is stage 2, coins.
Coins worked because people trusted their value.
That's why the British pound was originally literally a pound of silver. Coins made trading much easier for everyone. Paper money works because people trust the system. Yeah. Next came banks and government-controlled money. Paper money replaces coins in a smooth transition. Money no longer needed to be made of metal. Paper money has value because the government says it does. As banking grew, trust became the key factor. Money now worked because governments backed it. A banknote is basically a promise of value. Then we entered the age of digital banking. Money became numbers on a screen. Payments are just balance updates. This leads us to cryptocurrencies. Crypto is completely digital money. It uses a shared record called a ledger. So why are people excited about crypto? First, crypto is decentralized. Many people store the same transaction record. Computers help verify transactions on the network. As you can see, by completing the challenge, you've earned yourself a fantastic reward. We're excited to offer these new cryptocurrency bonuses directly to your account. Payments are checked by the entire network. Payments are checked by the entire network. Invalid changes are quickly detected. Many identical records improve security. Some people have internet, but no banks. Crypto allows fast global payments. Some cryptocurrencies have very low fees. Crypto is secured by cryptography. Blockchain is not Bitcoin. Blockchain is not a currency. Blockchain organizes transactions into blocks. A single block appears with transaction data icons. Each transaction becomes a block. Each block contains its data and a unique hash. See how the hash from the first block becomes the previous hash for the second. As you can see, the magnetic connections allow the chain to form seamlessly, creating a strong and flexible structure for your builds. Limbo! Changing a block changes its hash. As you can see, this block is different. Oh dear, it broke the whole thing!
As you can see, the blockchain is robust. Millions of copies are instantly checking each other, ensuring complete synchronization across the network.
Fraud would require massive control.
This is much harder than hacking a bank account.
That is why many people trust blockchain. Now let's talk about crypto investing. Watch as we transform traditional fiat currency into the future of money. Now you can easily exchange your cash for cryptocurrency.
Look at this trajectory. If the current trend holds, we are looking at unprecedented growth in the coming weeks.
Sometimes prices rise very fast. People call this going to the moon. The big question is, which coin?
The crypto market is expanding rapidly. As you can see, thousands of unique digital assets are now available across this expansive grid.
Ethereum can process transactions faster.
Some coins focus on better technology. Different coins have different goals.
This is not financial advice. Only invest what you can lose. For many, crypto is a gamble. Crypto prices are very volatile. Now let's look at the problems. Crypto prices are very volatile. Prices often react to news. And as you can see, good news can push prices up. We're looking at a major surge in the markets today. Bad news can drop prices fast. Crypto is not widely accepted yet. Some places do accept crypto. Oh. Companies often change their minds. Mining can use a lot of energy. Oh!
Traditional banking also uses energy.
Cleaner energy could reduce impact.
Regulation is still developing.
Crypto is often misunderstood. Crypto is not truly anonymous. Transactions are pseudonymous.
We've tracked this chain of transactions, and the same public address is clearly visible, repealing at multiple points along the chain.
As you can see, these bills vanish without a trace. Cash is much harder to trace than digital currency. Crypto has some strange results. One example is NFTs. Anyone can copy the file. We are proud to present this token, labeled Original. Ownership is officially recorded right here. Rights. NFTs are not copyrights. They prove digital ownership. Look at this! Some NFTs sold for huge prices! 10 million! Wow!
Yes, it surprises many people.
Famous NFTs sold for millions. Even simple posts gained value. Some prices shocked everyone. Now let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin started as a joke. Look at this amazing turnout!
Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun!
Unbelievable! Look at that spike! We've just seen a massive increase in value, and it's still climbing. Some people became millionaires.
Crypto is a strange world.
Let's quickly recap everything. Money has really evolved over time. From bartering, we moved to coins and cash, and now everything is becoming digital. Crypto uses shared ledgers. These connected blocks form the chain, and with every link, the blockchain secures your transactions. Crypto has risks and benefits.
Understanding matters more than hype.
Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!